Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Welcome to Ming Feng Lighting Limited Corporation. As a leading manufacturer and trader in LED lighting products, our company was founded in 2009, which is strictly in terms of LED lighting for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. What's more, our company can also provide a reliable guarantee for improving the product quality. With more than 14 years experience in LED lighting products, maybe you are wondering what technologies that our company has. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our company established a quality management system in accordance with ISO 9001 standard. Products are CE, CB, ROSH, SAA, ETL and DLC certificates. In order to provide our customers with attractive lighting fixtures, optimal energy saving and thoughtful lighting solutions, Ming Feng hired the professional, tireless lighting designer and providing the OEM and ODM service for all the partners around the world. Our designer and engineer always pay full attention to them in the field of high quality standard at reasonable and competitive price, fast delivery, trust and honest service, and etc. We are producing the LED downlights, LED tree-proof lights, LED high bay light, LED floodlight, and some of outdoor LED landscape light. Our lab has photometrics tester, IES darkroom tester, EMC, EMI, and LVD tester, high-low temperature tester, and so on. Covers a range of 22 regulations. Our lab makes corresponding tests for different models. We will provide precise data for the measurement of electronics, structure, environment, photometrics, and other values. Our company has a special aging room, mainly used for testing the performance of products, do long-term durability tests, test some data of the product, such as temperature rise tests, high voltage shock tests, and current shock tests, and the lamp aging tests from 24 hours to 48 hours. We provide one-stop supply chain service to our clients. All of the processes are made in-house, such as SMT, welding, painting, and assemblies. All LED light products are produced according to ISO 9001 standard. Our factory quality checking system has a strict standard during production procedure. Not only that, but also in pre-production raw material checking and finished product checking system. Adopt Learn Production Management Mode to build 7X workshop. More than 17% of the production staff have more than 3 years of LED lighting product experience in assembly. Regarding quality control on the production line, in addition to daily quality control processes such as incoming materials and first inspection, we also specially set up 3 important quality control processes, namely aging tests, voltage tests, and power tests. Last but not least, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us in any time. Thank you.